What's up, Poker Maniac TFP? We got a King Deuce 7 and a 5. No, I was joking. Yeah, I just started my video and it messed up, so I had to restart it. Oh, excuse me. Original 19,000 start. We're trying to get to 20,000.
Your next bet to sub is more than welcome.
We're just trying to get to 20,000 real quick. We're gonna do it.
Basically, so wish you good luck.
Pair.
5 spades, 2 of diamonds, and 8 of clubs.
Alright.
That's in against theirs too. Low card. What's you prefer to do?
We're gonna stand.
Just keep in mind if you will decide to hit, you will straightly become a bot. Ready for your stance once I was on 75 hits, so 75 bots we
Shouldn't have hit.
Okay, that's just queen. So many, 8 for dealer, 12.
That helped us.
16, one more card, and that's too
They
many.
don't hit that, they
winners.
make a hand.
My congratulations. So I
Dealer
missed
makes
about
18 with that
winners.
queen
That's
if they
one
don't
pay
hit
if you're
that.
getting this round. Well done, that insane. Don't worry, I think that you're one of them. Basically, so wishing good luck. 7 of spades, 10 of diamonds, and ace of spades, soft 18 against the yours 10. High card. Hey.
Hey.
Maybe I'm a bot as well, who knows?
Bot. James Bot.
Sunday for stance and 42 hits ace.
Good job.
Soft 19.
You got a 19 versus a 20.
Yes, enough. Eight hits more two.
Wow.
21. Hidden card 20. And this one we get 8 winners. My congratulations. Winning Sammy, welcome to joining. Of course, and what's the newcomers? Thank you for joining us. How are you doing? How's thinking?
It was the king. You bet $75 and you hit a 19. Oh, I guess you can. You wouldn't bust.
10 of hearts, ace of diamonds,
come on,
and 4 of spades. First of all, ladies and gentlemen, offering key insurance option might be hidden blackjack.
Like I said, when I do raise, I do run into the ace.
And that's not a blackjack. Let's continue. Any ideas what to do with your 40?
Big 8-card bust.
So 16,100 hits, you get free. 17. What happened, Tommy? It is what it is. So if it's more than
sure
money,
press the
getting cards
subscribe
20. Thank you for
subscribe
playing.
To the channel. Run that bet back.
It would be too boring if you would get all the time 20 or blackjacks. What's the point then? That's a close to what you can. So ace of clubs, jack of clubs, and 9 of spades. So 20 against the yours jack, hat free as well as yours with it. So it's a one payoff. Enjoy.
Should have been a blackjack. That blackjack should have been on the ace of clubs.
Majority is starting to double down to 1 hit
here.
7.
Turns into a 17.
19.
We really should be good here.
Oh, 17, excuse me. Hidden card 20 for the orange to push.
Gosh, and then y'all just...
Thanks for playing. Hat free still is yours with a 6-1 payoff. New betting time. Wait, Sebastian, I hope you're not forgetting about the side bet option.
Make sure you press the
They took the
subscribe button.
7, so we should get a good hand, right?
Basically, now we should look.
2.
8 of spades, lady of clubs, and lady of hearts. This is 18 against the Earth's queen. High card. We'll see.
7.
That's a stand.
Okay,
16. And too many. Everyone is the winner. Congratulations. Best of the yours as well with the 1-to-1 payout. New betting time. You're welcome. So that's your strategy. Yeah? Basically, so what you good luck. C of spades, jack of spades, 8 of diamonds. Sun against the Earth jack. Hat for you. You are getting it with a 2-to-1 payout. Enjoy. And if there is really ace of spades, that's the end of it. And sun, 106 hits, jack, 20. Oh, I thought you were talking about the hidden card.
Absolutely not.
Hidden card, 18. Everyone's the winner. Enjoy one successful debit and sun. Hat phrase yours with a 2-to-1 payout betting time. And of course, I'm glad to see you come and thank for joining Harry'sing. And I think that couple of rounds with me and the exchange will take place as well. That's probably that the next round will be the last one with the shoe, and I will proceed to change it back to close to what you get locked. C of clubs, ace of hearts, and 8 of clubs.
Like I said,
First
this
of
is
all,
the
insurance option might be hidden blackjack and wild thinking. My compliments to 20 players to get lucky with a hat price tab, but for it's 1 pair you're getting.
I get insurance right here because it's a double down hand.
That's right. Unfortunately, blackjack is us. Thank you so much for playing. Hat free. That's still yours for it's 1 pair. Betting time is running. And now definitely the last round of the shoe. Yes, 8 ducks. Basically, so wishing good luck. First of all, casting card here. Shoe change. With a free, yeah. 8 of spades. Ace of hearts and 3 of clubs. Once again, ace of rank insurance
Another
option.
double down hand.
Hat free once again is yours with a 4-to-1 payout. This time it's not a blackjack.
Now we double. Since we played for insurance, then we can double, get some of our money back. It's kind of rare to have back-to-back like that, you know? That I have never seen. But usually when you get a double down hand versus an ace.
22 double downs, 98 hits, 10.
Yeah, see if we get our money back, bro.
Good improvement is enough.
We should win this anyways. 7 under. I'll call it a day.
You can always try to find a table where you will get the hands which you like more. Hitting card, and this is 20 for the order. Congratulations, and you're one successful double downs.
Come on, check the Patreon.
Betting time and shoe change as well.
I wish you would have seen that in time. Oh man.
Shoe is changed, bicyclist. Good luck. 3 of spades, 2 of diamonds, and queen of spades, pressing against the Earth's 2 low card. And by the way, that's the last round with me. The exchange will say please after.
Liz.
51 stands, 65 hits, and this is king. No. 8 for the Ori, 10, and 20. Thank you for playing.
Oh my god, Tommy,
Betting
bro, you
time
tripping,
and
bro.
exchange.
Tommy tripping, bro. Round is over. That's where I get
Hello.
that from.
My name is Tatiana. I'm here to spend with you next half an hour. No more
She
bets.
like what she read.
6 of diamonds, 7 of spades, queen of clubs.
This is the only time I hit a 16. No hezzy. 16 versus 7 is the only time I'll ever hit a 16, win or lose.
16 against 7.
Just depend on the bet size. Right now we have some more money to play with, so I'm not really tripping on this. 16 versus 7 is a good hit. She's smiling about that.
33 hits
3?
and 10 of clubs. Okay. Checking our dealer's position. 14. 16 final card makes
it didn't matter.
20. Round is over.
Round is over. Round is over.
Betting time next turn.
It didn't matter though. Player W.
11. Betting time is over. Good luck.
Let's go.
King of hearts, 3
Ace
of
it.
spades. Ooh,
Yeah.
this is blackjack for.
Told you.
It doesn't matter even. The dealer has compliments to
Told you.
everyone.
And our session is complete.
Legal professor through LH 55 countries and you are on top. 30 of those you have been waiting for busted. It's a push. Have a good night as well, Professor. That's a close. Good luck.
Yep, we got to our goal.
7 of clubs.
Don't do it.
2 of hearts. 6 of spades. This is 13 again.
Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. If you're new, hit that subscribe button.
It was my pleasure to see you too.
Okay.
It's been a while, by the way.
Yes, it has. It really has. I'm sorry, I forgot your name. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, man.
69 hits, 1
We're
double
gonna try to
diamond.
run this up a little
6
bit.
of
We're gonna try to
clubs.
run this balance up a little bit. So stay tuned for the next video. I don't think I'll be posting. I might. I don't know. We'll see. For the next couple days for the weekend.
Ladies and
We'll
gentlemen,
see.
what you would like to do on 19?
Thank y'all for watching.
Against 3.
See y'all next video. Don't forget to check out the Patreon, man. I'm telling you, this blackjack
right,
is
checking
not
our dealer's
difficult.
position.
It is, but it's not.
12.
Let's see what happens.
And that's the winning. Dealer bust with 3
Alright, no, I
cards.
have
My
to see
compliments to every one of you again.
Possible 61.
26 of those
No,
who
it's
go
gonna
1
be
to 1
like
unbusted. Enjoy.
12% chance you
Please
get a
place your bets.
777 right here, which is pretty good.
Me, tellers.
I gotta see this next hand. That's it.
That's a close. Good luck.
7.
Jack of globes, 8 of globes, 3
No. Alright,
of
right here.
hearts.
Hot 3. Alright, right here.
This is
See ya.
13 against 8. 33 of those who will get 4 to 1 on hot 3. Enjoy.
Make sure you press the subscribe button.